What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video.
I don't need like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business cut me off to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know what I'm saying?
I have not made a video in so long. It's gonna be a vlog though. I am going on a solo trip to the beach, and this has been really needed for me. I've been going through a lot mentally, and I've been very much in my head, and I feel like I just need an escape from my city. And even if it's like 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours away, it's needed. Doesn't matter how far you go, sometimes you just need to leave your city and reset. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm so excited. This is how long I have. I'm gonna get there at 3:54, which is perfect because check-in is at 4 o'clock, and I'm gonna be vlogging on my Osmo Pocket. I think that's what you call this. Yeah, my Osmo Pocket. So let's get into it. Let's start driving. Okay, do I get pots and stuff? Okay, this is the bathroom. I got a couch area. Look at this view. Y'all, look at how pretty this is. Oh my God. Wow. This is pretty. I could definitely get used to this. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy. I was stressed out getting here. They got a hot tub, but it's cold. It's kind of cold. I might go and explore the beach though. I'm happy. But yes, this is my whole setup. TV. More of the view. Good vibes. I have a reservation at this place called Carolina Roadhouse. I'm about to start getting ready. I'm gonna take a shower, do my makeup, and get dressed. And we're gonna go. My boots, my jeans. I have this cute like sweater from, I think I got it from Shein. It's 5:08 and the place I'm going to is like 5 minutes away, if I'm not mistaken. And after I leave here, I'm going to Piggly Wiggly to get me some groceries because there's a breakfast place and it's free breakfast here, but you have to walk like 4 minutes to get there. And I'm not doing that at 7, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. I don't be in the mood for that shit. I gotta converse with people and shit. I wanna be able to wake up, make my breakfast, get in bed, and watch what I wanna do and do what I need to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're crazy as hell. I got new ear piercings, as y'all can see, so I gotta clean that real quick. I was gonna get my ears pierced in Myrtle Beach, but to get one set was $60, and I got 2 sets for $90 at Claire's. Like, yeah, my grandma used to do when I was a little girl. She used to just pour on there. I clean up hotels as I go because at the end of the day, they might be maids, but have some class. Keep things easy for them. It got dark so fast.
Good day in my mind, seems to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, let your edge out.
Thank you. I wasn't able to get like a video of me while I'm eating, but I took a video on my phone because for one, I gotta delete some stuff on here. First I gotta upload it on my computer and then delete it so I can edit it because I forgot to edit the videos. But right now I'm about to go to Food Lion. Let's go. We're in the store. I got some water. Need eggs. I'm gonna get some bacon first. Let's see. I need eggs. Hold on, I'll be back. We have everything we need, so I'm gonna go back to the hotel. And I'll see y'all there. Back. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the store. Got some cheese, eggs, some sausage. I got me some fruit, and I got some butter, and I got pancakes, and of course some syrup. I like this hotel. It's cute. I love my view, but the hotel's breakfast is not in the building. It's like divided. So this is the suite building, and then there's the regular other hotel rooms they have, and then the breakfast room is like a 4-minute walk. Oh, who's gonna wake up in the morning? I'm about to get drunk. Who's gonna wake up in the morning hungover, walk for? No, I'm gonna make my own damn breakfast. Fuck. Just how my makeup came out though. I'm about to take off my makeup and get ready for bed, and I'm gonna take another shower because I have been sweating. Wake up and go to the pool. I don't know. I at least want to go to the beach once while I'm here. We'll see. We'll see. Let's get in the shower. It's freaking awful. Good morning, y'all. I just woke up. I slept so good. Now I'm about to make some breakfast. Y'all probably wondering why I'm using this. No. Look at this. I'm not using that. It seems like the whole hotel has. It doesn't seem like a lot of people used it. I'm gonna clean it out real quick. First, I'm gonna make me some tea. Look at this. I deep cleaned everything to the best of my ability, y'all. I literally could. Take my sausage. There we go. I bought a 3-pack, so I'm going to be using 3 eggs today, 3 eggs tomorrow. Oh shit. I don't have any salt or pepper, so I'm going to use the sausage. I'm going to put the sausage back in the pan and use that seasoning in that sausage. Yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. This butter right here. Okay. Last pancake. Okay. Period. hell outside. I wonder if it feels like colder near the ocean. Like the temperature changed. I'm definitely a Pisces. Fucking love the water. It feels so good outside, y'all. Look how pretty the beach is. Look how pretty they are. They're just sitting there. Hey, stinkers. Look at all these birds. Look how fresh that looks. I might have it outside. I think I want to take a nap. I think it's time to take a nap. I done made breakfast, went for a little walk on the beach. I think it's time to rest and watch some Flavor Flav. Yeah, let's get into it. You can't even see me. Just woke up. I'm about to take a shower, get dressed, and do my makeup. I'm gonna go to a hookah lounge. I'm about to take this. I'm about to go to a hookah lounge, and then I'm gonna go to a Mexican restaurant. You can do an order online, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to call them. I have the order already like prepared from when I was going to order online, but I'm gonna just call them later when I'm about to leave the lounge and pick it up so I can pay in cash. I bought this knife and this pepper spray on Amazon. But I'm about to take a shower. I'll come back to you guys when I'm done.
Only because you ain't here. You're true leader, and I'll oblige, promise to please ya. If you're open fire, then it's treason, and I decide.
Fit. Let's go.
What are you into?
Hookah. I like good food. I'm a foodie. I love food.
Dallas.
Dallas. Okay.
knowledge. All right. So
I have ADHD.
Yeah.
I have a learning disability.
As everybody in our generation.
Like
does.
literally.
I think it's because of the mercury in the fish.
So you believe in that type of stuff?
Absolutely.
What's your horoscope?
Take a wild guess.
Are you a Taurus?
Very close, but not close.
An Aries?
Also very close.
Oh.
I am a Pisces.
Shut up.
Yeah.
I'm a Pisces.
You're a Pisces.
My birthday is March 2nd.
Okay, I'm March 16th.
Oh my god, we're Pisces twins!
Yeah, I guess we are.
That's why we're getting along so well. I love meeting other Pisces. We're awesome. Usually I hate Pisces men.
I mean,
because they're a little crazy. But I dated them. I wasn't just friends with them.
they're really good at being emotionally manipulative.
And
That's the big thing. It's like they're very good at the empathy part of it. Like they can read emotions really well.
And they use it against you.
Yes.
Very well.
Exactly.
Very well. Especially if they're not emotionally mature.
Exactly.
If they're like lacking in emotional intelligence, it's like they hate everyone, and everyone has to go down with them when they're falling apart.
I'm too confrontational to be
aggressive. I am too. I'm confrontational too.
Yeah,
like, because my best friend's a Pisces, and she's not confrontational, and I'm the one. Like, if she doesn't speak up, I'm going to speak up. Like, I talk shit. Yeah, like if you're making my friends and me feel unsafe, now I have to let you know, hey, you're making me feel very unsafe, and you have to go. Like, I can't do that. I'm a woman. If I feel unsafe, you're gonna know. You're gonna know for sure. I'm a Leo rising though.
That's why we get along. Also a Leo rising.
Okay, and I'm Aquarius moon.
Okay.
Yeah. So
you're a Pisces, Sun, Aquarius moon, Leo rising. Oh my god.
So I'm awesome.
We're theatrical.
Yes.
That's why we get along.
I'm dramatic as fuck.
We're very dramatic. I live for that shit.
Like I love a good theater. Like I love a dramatic exit.
I am that guy. I'm zesty, but I'm not gay.
Yeah, like feisty, sassy. You're sassy.
Sassy. I'm sassy, and I live for the tea.
Yeah, I love tea too. I'm so messy. I'm messy as hell.
That's Leo rising.
I saw some drama happening on the beach. I got my tea, and I'm like, hey, I'm like, what's happening? I left the hookah place. It was such a vibe. Joe, shout out to you. I'm about to go pick up some Mexican food and then head back to my hotel. We're here. So this is the food I got. That's steak, shrimp, rice, and queso sauce. No, it's steak, shrimp, chicken, and cheese sauce and rice. I got me a carne asada taco, queso, some salsa, and I got a churro. This is what I'm eating. I'm about to journal and edit some videos. So that's what we're about to do. Because I'm about to drop this YouTube video. Let's get into it.
And I'm Sheree. Promise to some of your famous gumbo. How fast can you whip some up? 30 minutes. Perfect.
Yes. Oh, Chelsea. Sweetheart, you look stupid.
I'm so tired. It is 8:12. Checkout is at 11. So I'm about to make some breakfast, eat it, and then chill. All my stuff is pretty much together. I put it together last night. So let's do it. I got a 3-hour drive. Last look of this view. I'm gonna miss it. I gotta figure out the next trip I'm taking. The guy from the hookah's place. Was there a storm last night or something? Why is that chair flipped over? Anyways, the last I went to hookah last night and he said to go to Dallas, Texas, so that might be my next move. I got my pancake making and I got some eggs and I'm gonna just microwave my sausage. There we go. Here's my breakfast. I'm gonna miss this so much. On my 3-hour drive back. These are my shoes, you know. I had such a good time. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this trip kind of made me want to be alone more and practice learning to be okay with being alone, if that makes sense. Like, it's nice to have people in your life, and I do, that care about me, but sometimes it's also okay to be alone. And this trip really taught me that, especially with relationships. Like, I don't even know if I want anything to do with that right now, because I really just want to focus on me. For real, you know? But yeah, this was fun. Nice little self-care, nice little getaway. That's why I took this trip. I'm trying not to care so much or put my thought into so many things. But it's always just easier said than done. It's easier to assume the worst when all you've ever gotten was the worst. You know what I'm saying? But I want to stop caring so much. Like, I want to still show empathy and show love, but I don't want to have to always care. Caring is so exhausting, especially when you care more than other people. I want to learn to work on that. I want to learn how to stop taking things personal. Because sometimes, like, someone may have said something to you, but the way they said it and their tone and everything, it really doesn't have nothing to do with you. They could have just been having a bad day. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to work on it. It's 9:51. Checkout is at 11. But the longer I stay, the sadder I get that I have to go. So I'm about to just go ahead and leave. This is what I'm gonna miss the most. I'm gonna miss it so much. Like, let me go get the view one more time. No, I'm not. I'm gonna go look. Like, I'm gonna miss this so much. This is like so hard. But I have everything packed right here. I'm about to get some gas and pee. If I can pee in here, I don't know. It look dirty as hell in here. But I'm gonna get some gas and pee. Let's do it.
Hospital in Long Beach, California.
Let's get it. I am back home. I'm a little depressed. It's sad like that. They don't talk about the sadness of coming back from a vacation. They do not. I'm happy because my family is here. So that's one reason to always come back. I really enjoyed this journey and I hope you guys did too. This is not the last of this. There will be more traveling now that I have a little, you know, insight on the vibes and stuff. I'm doing baby steps. So I started with Myrtle Beach, which is like 3 hours from my city. And then I'm going to step it up and go farther and farther. But thank you guys. If you got this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I love you and stay tuned for the next video.
But right now, body's foul. Don't make a sound.